tayo ng kanyan.
Cheeseburger, siomai, takoyaki, at milk tea. Meron yan dito sa Guagua, guys. Tara at subukan na rin at magmerienda na tayo. Ito lang yan sa Food Carnival by Liberty. Tara, let's go. At sa mga bago dyan, please like and share and subscribe na rin, guys. Tara, let's go. Dito tayo sa Food Carnival by Liberty, guys. Yan, location na Plaza, Burgos, guys. Yan. Ngayon ang mga location nila, Tara, at ito yung mga menu nila, guys. Yan. At tara, order na tayo nito, guys. Let's go.
Naguling burger tayo, guys. Order na ko again. Ito yung daw bestseller na cheesy classic burger. Buy what take one. Pork siomai at takoyaki. Yan. Subukan tayo ng kanyan.
Shout out sa mga staff na Food Carnival by Liberty. Thank you.